Hey guys, welcome to my channel. From this video, you're going to see a series of how to make a flower. So let's get started with the first flower. You're going to need a sheet of paper, a straw. You can also use a green paper roll instead of a straw. But I don't have a green paper, so I'm using a straw. The next thing is a scissor, a scale, and some sellotape. So let's get started. So the first step to make the flower is to fold the paper half. Like this. So I have folded my paper. So this is the folded edge and this is the non-folded edge. So on the non-folded edge, I'm going to draw a line from whatever distance you may take from the edge. I'm going to draw a line and now I'm going to roughly cut slits of paper till this line. I'm going to do this off the camera. Okay, so I have cut the paper. Now I'm going to unfold it like this, and now I'm going to fold it on the opposite side so that the flower will look a bit bushy, like this. Now please do not press the paper. So before I unfold it, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this side. Just a little bit of glue. Done. I'm going to spread it out. I will brush over here. If you have a glue stick, then please use it. It's going to help. Okay, so I have stick the glue. Now I'm going to again fold it in half. It's quite tricky. Like this. So once you have glued the corners, it will be easy to glue the edges. Okay, done. So the paper looks like this now. I'm going to take my straw and some tape, a small piece of tape, no, a bit longer, this much of tape. Now take the straw, stick it around the straw. Now take the paper colored tape on the paper, and then as you see, a little bit of tape is over here. So now just roll the paper around the straw. Till the last end. Okay, so this is what I got by making the flower. You can also use colored paper. As I didn't have colored paper of the desired color, I have used only white color paper. So if you use a colored paper, it will look more beautiful, but I have used only white colored paper.